Dreezy Squad, what is going on? It's your boy Dreezy coming at you guys here with a brand new Supreme unboxing. This is going to be over the week 18 Supreme t-shirts. I ended up cooking up 5 of them, and for those of you who don't remember the drop, it was kind of a drop. I'm gonna be honest, not in terms of what they released, but in terms of the website just being absolutely horrific. It took me forever to check out. The processing took me forever. And not only that, I'd add things to the cart and they just magically disappear. So I don't know what was going on there. But I was able to cop 5 t-shirts, all of which I'm selling except for one I'm going to keep in the personal. But yeah, with that being said, if you guys are new here, guys, I'm like 26 away from 1,000. So if you are new here, please go down below, click that big red subscribe button, join the Dreezy Squad, and help a brother out. It would be greatly appreciated. And then while you're down there, comment down below what your favorite t-shirt is. Because, again, there was a bunch of stuff that came out, like the Motion logo. Someone commented on my last video that they copped 5 somehow. Don't even know how that's possible. But he still did it, which is absolutely insane. So if you're watching this video, congrats to you. But that is absolutely insane. My bot did not hit on the Motion logo, which I'm kind of pissed about. But we still did cop 5 of the t-shirts. So without further ado here, let's go ahead and hop into this unboxing. Alrighty, so here in the very first package, we've got the Pitbull Tee here in camo. This is the Pitbull Tee. Honestly, I really only like this one in the camo colorway. Resale for it isn't doing too hot for really any of the t-shirts right now except for the Motion logos. Again, just simple t-shirt here in camo with the Pitbull, which it's almost like pixel art. Like if you actually really look at it closely, which I'm going to get some b-roll of all this stuff, but it looks pixel art, and then it's got like a Supreme in the graffiti font, pretty sick, and then nothing on the back. But yeah, all the other colors I really didn't like the white one, the dog, it just looked weird. I didn't think it flowed well, but with the camo and having it be a Pitbull, I think it actually flows fairly well. And I actually really do not mind this font here, but out of the drop, this was probably my least favorite t-shirt. I'm gonna be 110% honest with you. This was my least favorite t-shirt from the drop. I just got it because I thought I was gonna do somewhat decent later on down the road. However, so far I'm wrong. Then I also got in here the stickers, which I'll save the stickers for last. Then here in the next package, yeah, I had to get 3 carts with this, guys. So that'll tell you something. Got more stickers here, duplicates. Let's go. And then we've got the beautiful split t-shirt, which a lot of people ask me why I'm selling this one, and I'm gonna be honest with you, it's not really my style. It is a super sick t-shirt. Oh, I forgot it had something on the back. As you can see, it's got that little Supreme box logo down there, and then it's got the face split in half, and then on the back, it's got warning, contains scenes of an explicit nature. Ichi the Killer. If you guys don't know what this is from a Japanese film that was created years ago. And again, I don't really know a whole lot about it, but it's basically about pain and all this other stuff that this guy does to other people. So again, yes, absolutely sick. I really do like this t-shirt, I'm gonna be honest. It's weird seeing Supreme do like such a wide picture. Normally it's just like a little square in the middle, you know what I'm saying? So it's kind of weird seeing that, but I actually really dig it. And then I got this in the gray colorway. And then up next, we get into the Big Bertha packages. We got this big one here. First things first here, we have got, what is this? Oh, I forgot I ordered this one. This one, man. You guys are gonna have to let me know. This whole package alone, these 3 t-shirts are one that I'm gonna hate to see go. This is in a size medium, and it's the white lizard tee where it says Supreme and like the leafy font with the watering pot, and then we got the little lizard in the background. So again, this is one of those t-shirts that I actually really do like. It's nice and clean, and you don't see stuff like this from Supreme a whole lot with like the bubble letters made out of the grassy stuff. So again, super clean, nothing on the back, of course. But yeah, this one I actually really like. I'm gonna be honest, this one I actually mess with hard, but I think I'm gonna let this one go. I think I'm gonna let that one go now the more that I look at it. Not really for me. Then up next here we have got, what do we got in here? We've got stickers. And then we have got the Supreme Social Tee here in white. This is one that, you know what guys, actually go down below and comment which one I should keep. The Social Tee or the Marble Tee that's coming up here next. This actually looks sick. Oh my god. Oh, never mind. I do not want this one. I didn't even realize it said this, but it says, never mind the USA, politics as usual. Out of order, Supreme. If it didn't say cuss words on it, you already know I was gonna keep it. Yeah, this actually, if it didn't say that on there, I would definitely be keeping this one, I think, the more that I look at it. It's just super cool. It's something different. And then when you see it, you definitely know that it's Supreme, and of course got it in the white colorway in size large. And everyone always asks, like, why do you get it in white? Why do you get it in black in size large? Because if I don't sell it, I'll just keep it and wear it myself, you know what I'm saying? So that's that. And then here is the one that I plan on keeping, and it is the Marble Tee. So this is one of those designs from Supreme that I actually really like. It's just nice and clean, little Supreme in a rounded font there on the front, and then on the back you've got the big marble that just says Supreme going around it. It's one of those nice, clean, simple designs that I like. And this isn't really something I feel like we see from Supreme a whole lot, is designs like this, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I actually really do like this one. And with that being said, this is definitely going to be the one that I keep, because it's more, it kind of gives me like the summer vibes. I really wanted to get it in that light blue colorway, but that was the first one to go. So this is the one that I'm keeping. I got the 5 t-shirts, and then we'll move on to the stickers here. Pop these out because people like to see those. Of course, just red box logo. And then we got, oh, they sent me 2. We've got the purple and the black Motion logo, absolutely fire. And then we got the lizard sticker. I'm actually super happy with that one there. Another, which, by the way, Supreme, quit doing this with your stickers. It pisses me off. Another box logo. We got the Ichi, the killer sticker, and then we got the Supreme Everything is sticker, which came out with the last summer t-shirts that came out. So I've already got this one on the table. Moving in here to the next sticker package. Another red Supreme box logo. And then we've got another Ichi the Killer one, which I think we're just going to go ahead and sell, get rid of that. I don't need 2 of them. Oh, that one's actually bent to hell. Never mind, I'm going to have to find something else to do with that, something creative. And then my third freaking dinosaur sticker, nothing too fancy. And then for those of you wondering if I was able to cop those Ziplocs, your boy got them. Super hyped about it, just going up there on the shelf, except for this and the Polaroids when I got it, they came ripped, which drives me insane, but that's alright. And then we also got that little keychain. Both of these were fairly highly anticipated items from the website, so I am happy I got them. And then I really love the back of the Ziploc box. Really like that. But yeah, you guys, that is everything that I have received lately. I did end up copying that bling towel the other day because the website took a complete on me again. Didn't get the Vans. Super heartbroken, but that's alright. We'll bounce back. And yeah, guys, so that's stuff being said. If you guys are new here, go down below. Subscribe, help me get to 1K, be greatly appreciated. I'm posting Supreme stuff all the time. I'm gonna start branching out to like FTP, Palace, all that other stuff. So yeah, guys, that stuff being said, that wraps up this video. So hopefully you guys did enjoy, and with that being said, I will see you guys this next week. Yeah, it's been your boy Dreezy. Peace out.
I'ma go flex on a bitch, go stunt on a bitch. I'm sorry, I'm having my way. You ain't even with my team, you ain't with my gang, little nigga. Get the fuck out my face.